Natural wood is beautiful, but exposure to sun, rain, and time can dry it out and cause lasting damage. In this video, we'll show you how to protect and revive your wood surfaces with Presidential Shingle Oil, a premium penetrating sealant designed to nourish, preserve, and enhance natural wood. Before you begin, make sure the temperature is between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, with no rain expected for at least 24 to 48 hours. This ensures proper curing and absorption. Start by clearing the area of dirt, dust, and debris. It is recommended to wash the wood thoroughly using a cleaner or mild detergent and water. Scrub away any mildew or residue, then rinse well. Allow the surface to dry completely. The wood must be fully dry for the oil to penetrate properly. Now you're ready to apply the oil. Stir it thoroughly before use. Do not shake it. Apply a thin, even coat along the grain of the wood using a brush, roller, or sprayer. Work in small sections, allowing the oil to soak in. If the surface looks glossy or wet after a few minutes, wipe off any excess with a clean rag. For very dry or porous wood, a second coat may be needed once the first has been absorbed. When finished, clean your brushes, rollers, or sprayers with soap and hot water. Any leftover shingle oil can be resealed and stored in a cool, dry, and dark place for up to 2 to 3 years for future use. That's all it takes to restore and protect your wood with Presidential Shingle Oil. It enhances natural color, repels water, and guards against cracking and UV damage. Reapply as needed to keep your wood looking rich, natural, and protected for years to come.